Welcome to Med Elixir. Knowledge and thoughts are to be shared. Quick revision series continues. Orthopedics.
Most common cause of comminuted fracture.
Crush injury.
Most common site of stress fracture.
Metatarsal, especially second metatarsal.
Most common cause of pathological fracture in child is
Bone cyst.
most common complication of Colles fracture.
Malunion. Colles fracture is a fracture of distal forearm in which the broken end of radius is displaced dorsally. It's caused due to fall on an outstretched hand. Dinner fork deformity is seen in Colles fracture.
Monteggia fracture.
Fracture of proximal one-third of ulna along with dislocation of head of radius.
Barton fracture.
Intra-articular fracture of distal radius with dislocation of radiocarpal joint. Schaffer's fracture. Intra-articular oblique fracture of styloid process of radius.
Most common dislocation seen in shoulder joint is
Anterior dislocation. Bennett's fracture is fracture at the base of thumb.
most common dislocation seen in ankle joint is
Anterolateral.
in osteogenesis imperfecta, defect lies in which type of collagen?
Type 1 collagen.
Most common cause of dwarfism is
Achondroplasia. Achondroplasia is autosomal dominant. The person looks like jokers. It occurs due to early epiphyseal closure.
most common site of osteomyelitis is
Metaphysis of long bones. The causative organism is Staphylococcus aureus.
hallmark of chronic osteomyelitis is
Sequestrum. Sequestrum is a dead piece of bone.
septic arthritis of hip in infants is
Thorne-Smith arthritis. In X-ray, complete absence of head and neck of femur is seen. O-ring sign is seen in chondroma.
in X-ray sunrise specules are seen in
Osteosarcoma. Codman's triangle is also seen in osteosarcoma. Osteosarcoma arises from metaphysis of long bones and also is the most common non-hematopoietic bone tumor. Homer-like proceeds are seen in Ewing sarcoma. Ewing sarcoma arises from diaphysis of long bones. Onion skin pattern is seen in X-ray. Osgood-Schlatter disease is osteochondritis of tibial tubercle.
Housemaid's knee is
Prepatellar bursitis.
clergyman's knee is
Infrapatellar bursitis.
nerve involved in supracondylar fracture of humerus.
Median nerve.
Baker's cyst is seen in
Popliteal fossa. Thank you.
Thank you.